Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we are going to be talking about a case. This is the DeWalt Tough Case. This is the Bit Kit that I recently picked up. It's one of my latest ones. You know, you're constantly losing stuff and whatnot, so I ended up getting another one. Now, what I like about this case and what I didn't realize was so good about this newer generation of cases. Now, DeWalt has the Tough Case, and Milwaukee has their pack-out system. Well, the thing that I hated about bit kits is the fact that especially getting these smaller bits in and out, sometimes they were just, the configuration was oftentimes very, very cumbersome to be able to both insert and extract the bits from their holders. Sometimes you would have to get down level and push it in because it had some little flappers basically that you would have to slide it in at level. Then they have some that the whole insert with all the bits, say if I had this bit, this whole sleeve would rotate up at about 45 degrees where you could then extract each individual bit. And it was not quite as bad, but it was almost as bad. But this new kit, this thing is something special, and it's a little thing, but it makes a huge difference. So to extract the bits, like the 2-inch bits, all you got to do is rotate them to the vertical position, and then they slip right out of there. So that this is molded so that it is very loose fit on this one, but as soon as you push it down, it locks in place. That is really nice. Now the one with the smaller bits is the same way, and this is the one that's more convenient, because with the larger bits oftentimes you can still get them out because you got more leverage to pry them, depending if they're on different style cases. But these little bits were oftentimes the worst things in the world to get out, to the point where a lot of times I just stopped using these types of cases and went to a full-on DeWalt magnetic case that was just an open case where I could shove all the bits in there. But then you spend time looking around and searching for which bit you want. So I didn't give these new cases, this DeWalt Tough Case and the Milwaukee Pack Out, enough credit, I guess. I'm going to have to look further into some of their cases, what they offer, and especially in the bit kits, because this case is just really nice. And then the little holder here will also fold out, so you can store extra bits, or if you have some specialty bits that you want to store in there, you can very easily, you can open it up in the case, or you can extract it as well. And then they have the larger version over here, which are spaced apart further for your nut drivers as well, and then the extension. But I have been looking, but I haven't been able to find them. I would think that DeWalt might sell these as individual pieces, these inserts, because frankly on the job I don't even use these little bits anymore. We use all 2-inch in our cordless screwdrivers and cordless impact drivers, and so I would really rather have a case that had just 4 of these where I could load them up, even if just the inserts, not necessarily a full kit. That way I could load all the bits up with those 2-inch bits that we most commonly use, and then have spares on top of that. So that's what I'm going to be looking into, but I'm definitely going to be giving the Tough Cases for different stuff from DeWalt a better look, as well as the pack-out system from Milwaukee as well. Well, my name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib, and something very simple but incredibly useful. This is the DeWalt Tough Case Bit Kit, and I'll leave some links below for couple of different bit kits that they have with these new Tough Cases as well. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.